Hello everyone, welcome from Logo Park. In today's tutorial, we will talk about making a globe shape. At first, you have to take a document or artboard and make sure by clicking the windows, you have to make sure the grid checked and snip to grid checked. Then take a circle and put two line tool on the and divide it into four portion, and then make four circles around that circle, and give them stroke by selecting all. Put the circles into the main circle with a certain specific distance which looks like a globe, and also put the upper circle and the lower circle into the middle, which looks like a globe shape. Then select all and go to the shape builder tool and eliminate the unwanted parts by pressing Alt key. In this way, you can easily draw a globe shape which can be used in various items of your graphic design, like logos or visiting cards or any other items. Thanks for watching.